Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well I have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a Chime bank account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead, open up your browser on your phone first of all, and now simply type in chime.com and get into their official website. So now for that, all you gotta do is tap on this three horizontal line given on top right corner, and in the section of online banking, you're gonna find this option of checking account, free debit card, savings account, etc. So simply go ahead, choose what kind of account you would like to make. If it's for regular use every day, you're gonna choose checking, or if it's specifically just for savings and purpose, you're gonna choose that, and then go ahead, choose whichever one you prefer. For now, let's go ahead, go with the savings account just to show you the demo. Once you have done that, you're going to find this kind of interface which shows the interest rate that it offers you, the features that you're going to get within, and then you're going to simply scroll down, check out all the benefits of the account as well. Now afterwards, you're going to tap on this option of get started right away. Then now simply have to provide your first name, last name, your email, and then you're going to tap next. Once you've provided the information, then add in your date of birth, tap on next again. Then if you want this kind of account updates, announcements, if you want, tap on them and tap on next. But for that, you simply have to provide your mobile number and then verify that. Once you have done that, you will be able to get more steps to verify yourself and add the information regarding for the Chime itself. Once you have completed all of that, you will be able to submit and you will be able to open yourself an account on Chime online like that, and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.